Hey everybody, today is September 20th, Wednesday. It's a day later than I usually create these little weekly updates, but I wanted to see what our friend at the Fed said today. So rates may remain the same, but what we really want to listen to is what he says after. Okay, so nothing changed, but what he said is there's two conflicting things. So we're seeing consumer spending continue to go up and things are booming on that end. On the other end, okay, credit card debt's going up, student loans are coming into place. So one of the things that he said was he didn't see things changing too much. So more than likely, we're going to get them to just keep at where we're at right now. Fed's fund rate anywhere from 5.25 to 5.5. What does that mean? What that means for the mortgage industry, for everyone that thinks that interest rates are coming down soon, don't think it's going to happen. So more than likely, we're the Pacific Northwest. We will see a seasonal slowdown. And that's kind of what we're seeing. And if you click on the link in this email, you can see the data graphs. And if we look at active listings historically start to drop in August, and that's kind of where we're at right now. And pending sales usually fall off as well. The one thing that we do know is pending sales compared to 2022 is everything's down, okay? One of the big reasons is inventory. Our inventory levels are continuing to stay low. We're year over year down. And that is why that we're continuing to see housing values. They're not necessarily, and this is market to market, because I mean, it depends on where you're at. Market to market differences. Some areas in Oregon and Washington, our values are actually up from last year. And then there's a lot of areas that are definitely down. And some of that's policy, some of that is conveniences, some of that is crime. So we have to look at that. So again, if you are a home seller, don't think that miraculously things are going to get better. If you are a home buyer, there might be some properties that have been on the market priced too high, okay? Because again, remember, at the Nick Shivers team, we are not going to tell you what you want to hear. You know, our job is not to tell you what you hear. Our job is to look at data, give you what we know now, because nobody has a crystal ball, and you make the decision based on your family's needs, okay? So people ask this question, should we take it off during the winter? Well, you don't have a lot of competition right now. So you got to look at that. What is your competition level? Are there buyers? Absolutely, there's buyers out in this market. I mean, we'll sell 40 houses in September. But even new listing inventory, this is new listings. Okay, the biggest win in the real estate market this year has been new construction, because they're filling the place of the lack of new pre-existing homes hitting the market. And they also can give some incentives on interest rates. Okay, but we're always thinking of strategies, owner financing type stuff to make sure that we can get your home sold based on your goals, your wants and needs. Okay, so it was a big week, but it kind of just stayed where it's at. And I think that that's probably going to continue through the fourth quarter. A seasonal downturn. If you look at seasonally new listings, it historically will continue to drop down all the way through January. So hopefully this gives you some insights. Remember, you can always reach out to me directly, 503-953-4110 to get some, if you want to just ask a couple questions. Until next time, this is Nick Shivers. I'm out.